came to party. Am I ever sober? Holly. Smoking on Davis. I don't fuck with Harley. And I want me a real bitch. I don't fuck with Barbies. They say I do it big now. They wanna fuck the kid now. But after I fuck them 2 words.
Get out.
Mom's thinking crazy. I'm doing me daily. Cause I can say blah blah yak and they still pay me. They're full of diamonds in the mouth, full of smoke. Get my dick down the throat, no jack and no choke. So hard, that's all I go. And money, 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 bitch, that's all I know. What the fuck you talking about? If you ain't about me, I'm a motherfucking fag. How the fuck it about me? Yeah, niggas out there love to talk about me, but if you ain't a bad bitch, get the fuck around me. Never been a weak nigga, always put my back into it. Put your mouth on my dick and count money while you do it. First I'ma smoke a blunt, then I'ma fuck you. And you can make a video telling your friend on you too. Get drunk, get high, that's all I do. I'm so to your face, yeah, how about you? Motherfucker doing me, I ain't worried about you. And if they say the fuck you good, then they room about you. Nigga, you're broke weed now, all black G-shot. Motherfucker ain't got no fire, bro, we hot. You can talk shit if you want, bro, we not. I'm wearing polo, why you wearing Reebok? Damn, that's fucked up, nigga, get your money up. Niggas ain't got no weight, doing tummy tucks. Nigga SMG, we here, nigga give it up. I'ma shut the bitch down, right after I live it up. Bass on the beat, ones on my feet. Skinny tatted motherfucker, but I swear I eat big ass pizza, cause I only eat the joint. No, play with me, pussy, get fucked. Porno, big dick, freaky motherfucker. I don't want hoes, but I have electric pussy. I swear I torn hoes, nice ass dress, but I love wearing cornrows. Think I'm a bitch, I put 10 in your torso. Nasty, nigga, I'm eating it. I'm a Michael Jackson on this bitch, I'm beating it. I don't sweat no hoe, nigga, you can keep the bitch. Got a broom for the BS, I'm sweeping it. Young ass nigga with a OG soul, cause I come from a hood where the sun don't show. Yeah, type to kill niggas for the ones that don't know. And everywhere I am, bet the gun gon' go. Freak out. Hold on a second, I'll have this on the blow. Hey, I do me. Yeah, get drunk. Do your motherfucking thing, do what the fuck you want. Yeah, I'm having fun right now. Shout out to the whole Silly Money gang, the whole TFA alumni, bitch, get with it or get lost. Man, we doing us, on everything. Shout out to my nigga Freakey, the Freaky Geek. Nigga, I am geek. Drop it. June 29, go cop that. Yeah.